What's your number? How to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to collect 8 cards. Setup. Lay out the game board and each player picks a token to represent them. Shuffle the deck and deal 5 cards to each player. Players look at their own cards but keep them hidden from their opponents. The player who most recently took a selfie is the first subject, and the player to the left of that person is the first question master. Give the subject the notepad and a writing utensil. Each player, except for the question master, picks 1 card from their hand that they want the subject to rank and gives it to the question master, making sure no one else sees it. Then they draw a replacement card from the top of the deck. Once the question master has cards from every other player, they pick 1 and give it to the subject. The rest are discarded. The subject must now write down their name and a number from 1 to 100, indicating how they feel about the chosen card. 100 is the most positive ranking, while 1 is the least positive ranking. Once the subject is finished, starting with the player to their left, every player takes turns placing their token on the number they think the subject picked. You are not allowed to put your token on the same number as someone else. Once all the tokens have been placed, the subject reveals their number. Whoever guessed the number closest to the subject's answer gets to keep the card that was used that round. If there is a tie, then the subject picks the winner based on explanations as to why each player picked the number they did. If a player guesses the number exactly, then they receive 2 cards, taking the second one from the discard pile or beneath the draw deck. Play moves to the left, so the question master is now the subject, and the process repeats until one player has collected 8 cards and is the winner. Some alternate rules you can play with are 1 and done. The subject selects 1 card from the deck and ranks that topic. Do it yourself. The question master makes up a topic and decides who the subject is. Price is Right. The person who picked the closest number without going over is the winner. Write it down. All the players write down their numbers at the start of the round. Then the guessers reveal their numbers one at a time, but aren't allowed to change their answer. If there is a tie, then no one wins a card, and the tied players do rock, paper, scissors to determine who the next subject will be. Need to know. Each guesser can make the question master choose their card once per game. Dump. At any time, you can discard 3 cards into the discard pile and draw 3 new ones.